Today, we're going to discuss something that's incredibly important for your financial well-being: building an emergency fund. I'll walk you through the steps to create one quickly and easily. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the importance of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. Whether it's a medical emergency, a job loss, a major car repair, having an emergency fund can help you cover these costs without going into debt or dipping into your long-term savings. Step 2. Determine your emergency fund goal. Now that we know why an emergency fund is essential, let's figure out how much money you should aim to save. A good rule of thumb is to have enough money to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will be the essential costs. Ensure the smallest amount you could get by with for a month. This amount will vary depending on your individual circumstances. So take some time to calculate your monthly expenses and multiply that by the number of months you want to cover. For example, if your monthly expenses are £1,500 and you want to have a 6-month emergency fund, you will need to save £9,000. This sounds like a lot, but it's definitely something to work towards over time. An emergency fund isn't usually something made quickly. Step 3. Choose the right savings account. Once you have your goal in mind, it's time to find the right place to store your emergency fund. Look for a savings account that offers easy access to your money and no fees. This way, you'll be able to access your cash quickly when you need it. Given the current state of inflation and interest rates, this is not going to be a place to focus on growing wealth. So personally, I would focus on benefits outside of interest rates. Step 4, create a savings plan. Now that you have a goal and a place to save your money, it's time to create a plan to reach that goal. Start by reviewing your budget and identifying areas where you can cut back on spending. Then set a monthly savings target and commit to putting that money into your emergency fund. For example, if you need to save £9,000 and want to reach your goal in 2 years, you need to save £375 per month. Step 5. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to ensure you are consistently saving towards your emergency fund is to automate the process. Set up a standing order from your current account into your emergency fund savings account. This way, a specific amount will be transferred automatically each month, making it easier for you to stay on track with your savings goal. Step 6. Adjust your plan as needed. As you progress on your emergency fund journey, it's essential to periodically review your plan and make adjustments as needed. If you find that you're consistently falling short of your monthly savings target, consider revisiting your budget to identify additional areas where you can cut back on spending. Alternatively, if you're consistently exceeding your target, you may want to increase your monthly savings amount to reach your goal even faster. Step 7. Celebrate your success. Building an emergency fund is a significant accomplishment, and it's essential to celebrate your success along the way. When you reach milestones such as saving your first £1,000 or reaching the halfway point to your goal, take a moment to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. Remember, the key to success is consistency and commitment. So start today and take control of your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on personal finance and money management. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Big thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.